ready yet? Wait.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today we are going from these crusty, damaged nails to some poppin' ass acrylic French tip nails, okay? Press-ons. So basically guys, my nails are really damaged, so I'm like, let me just take a break from it. So I decided to buy these Kiss Revolutionary French nails. These are on the Salon Acrylic French design. Better than Salon French. It comes with 28 nails. This was about like $8 at my Dwayne Reed. I believe Dwayne Reed, Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, they should all have it. Okay, I wish I, had it longer, but, it's a perfect size, okay? So I really did like this pack. This is my second time buying it. So you're gonna need a, I forgot what this is called. Oh, a filer, just to get the nails nice and rough and ready for the glue. I did buy this. This is the cuticle oil that I like to put on my cuticles after I do the press-ons, just so it can look a little bit polished and nourished. And then this is the Kiss Maximum Speed Glue. This was like 99¢ at my nearest beauty supply store. Okay, so we're just gonna get started. This is how the inside looks. It does come with a glue, but I don't like the glue. It does come with a nail file as well as a nail stencil or whatever you call it. Okay guys, so basically I am going to use the nail filer just to get my nails nice and even and ready for me to put the glue. And as I was stating guys, yes, my nails were really damaged here. I did film this like a month ago. My nails are way more healthier now. I'm just gonna buff out my nails so I can get it ready for the glue to stick. I already aligned the nails that I would use, and on each finger I picked out the right size. So I'm just gonna add a nice amount of glue onto my real nails. Sorry for the view guys. Gonna add a nice amount of glue onto my real nails so that it's enough glue so that it can stick for more than a week. Then I'm just gonna, with pressure, apply pressure to the nail and wipe away any of the excess glue, because you don't want any glue oozing out of the sides. And I'm just gonna repeat this process for all 10 nails. Okay guys, yes, I think this is a nice affordable way for you to kind of cheat into getting the French manicure. I feel like every female loves French manicures because they're just so classy and they're like timeless. So I feel like if you don't have time to go to your nearest nail salon or your pockets is a little low, this is the perfect way for you to kind of fake a nice French poppin', nice length or whatever. It's perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And just look how sexy they look afterwards. Look how pretty that is, guys. They really look real. So many people gave me so many compliments on these, which is why I bought it for now the third time as we speak. And yeah, I like to just add some cuticle oil onto my cuticles, guys. And yeah, it makes it look nice and polished and just really pretty, like I just went to the salon. So yeah, you could basically fake a damn acrylic set. It's just so cool. Like, look at that. And I don't even like square nails, but these are really cute. They have a little curve to them. Very cute, very affordable, guys. Definitely trick somebody into thinking, hey, you went to the salon, girl? What salon you went to? My vanity at my house. Like, and French manicures cost almost $40. This was about $8. Okay, I only paid $5.99 because they were on sale, but the original price is $8, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, okay? And let me know what you think about these. Would you buy these? Would you rock these? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, okay? GlamNefercent signing out.
Rock on my